welcome back to the video. Ow! Help me. Today we see my fuzzy, fantastic creature. Go on through those. Dang it, there's a ledge. All I have to do is say you're okay and you're not really okay. You just have to say you're okay and don't say you're okay. It's fine when you're not really okay and stuff happens when you're not really okay. That's what I'm saying. What is that, guys? Tell me. There's a storm outside. Storm. When you say you're okay and you're not really okay. Wake up, fuzzy creature. For all you LPS tubers, I love you. Bye. Oh. Boingy, boingy, boing. Oh, I'm getting back. If you say you're okay and you're not really okay, you just have to say you're okay. But you're not. Okay, I'll help you. Hey, that was boring in there. Like here for sure. Guys, I'm actually gonna give her a kiss in reality. Pick up. So that was my real face in there. So weird, right? Da 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 da. Get on. Promise me no promises. La 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 la. What is this? I think I broke a skull. If you say you're okay and you're not really okay, and you just have to say you're okay. That was a lame door. Break. Break! Break! Make sure to smack the like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Ow, that hurts. Bow, 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 bow. Ba-da.